How do you think this is going to be received by Filipinos? Yung very, very civilian ng PNP versus the past na puro PMAers yung nakaupo. I'm sure you're also familiar with the idea na some PMAers don't necessarily look too kindly upon PNP graduates. May ganun may ganun discrimination minsan na PMAer kami, PNP kayo. I don't know if you agree with that. But I'd like to mind your thoughts about that. Did you ever feel that?
Well, hindi ko pinapansin. Okay? Hindi ko pinapansin. It's not really something that I lose sleep on. No? Even before, not now. Ang sa akin dito ay lahat tayo Pilipino. Iisang sinumpang tungkulin. Pagtaas mo ng kamay mo, iisang binabasa natin at pinipirmahan na oath of office. At iisang organisasyon na ating pinagsiservisyoan, iisang audience, iisang Filipino community, Filipino people na ating siniservisyoan. So, ang sa akin dito is, ang pressure lang sa akin dito na nangyari dahil ako ay PNP, a lot of PNP graduates now are looking at me and that's a pressure, and that's pressure, added pressure on my part na do good because your colleagues from the PNP are looking at it. Pero
Example number one.
at the end of the day, iisang organisasyon ang ating ginagalawan, iisang itsura ng tsapa Wala namang differentiation diyan kung saan ka nanggaling na komisyon At saka hindi naman PMA at PNP nandito sa PNP. Nandiyan pa ang APOLE, nandiyan yung mga technical services na mga lateral entrance at saka yung mga line units na mga line officers na rose from the rank, they rose from the patrolman up to the officer position na i-consider. At hindi ibig sabihin na hindi sila PNP, hindi sila PMA, ay second-class citizen sila. Hindi. We are all looking, I will be looking at all of them equally. And the only thing that will matter, especially in position and promotion, will be the things that they've done. Merit-based tayo. Hindi tayo kung saan man nanggaling na komisyon.